consecutivos.
Like blah blah blah. Pay me what you want me. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Pay me what you want me. Bitch better have my. Bitch better have my. Bitch better have my money. Sign up to Rihanna while the whole club fucking wasted. Every time I drop, I am the only thing y'all playing. In a drop top, do 100, y'all in my rearview mirror racing. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Like blah blah blah. Louis 13 and it's all on me, nigga. You just bought a shot. Come on, Kazi, if you think that you gon' knock me off the top. Shit, your wife in the backseat of my brand new foreign car. Don't act like you forgot. I called a shots. Like blah blah blah. Pay me what you want me. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch, better have my
de terceiro de ESO, rogamos un pouco de silencio. Aínda que non empreguen as palabras, ollamos o que nos quere dicir este grupo de mimos.
Ofrécennos unha interpretación moi persoal de alegría.
desexei emular ao Superman e ao Spiderman. Adiante, compañeiros, este mundo necesítamos.
Don't tell the gods I left a mess, I can't undo what has been done. Let's run for cover. What if I'm the only hero left? You better fire off your gun.
Érase unha vez unha nena a que lle preguntaron que quería ser de maior. E ela, cos ollos cheos de ilusión, respondeu que quería formar parte dos superheróes. Despois, preguntáronlle por qué, e respondeu que lle gustaría axudar aos demais e estar sempre disposta a loitar polo ben e intentar que o mundo se convertera en un lugar mellor para todos. Así, tiña tanta ilusión por converterse en superheroe que, como veredes a continuación, a ficción a veces supera a realidade. Os xoguetes da súa habitación eran todos os superheróis que ela tanto admiraba. O que non se podía imaginar era que de noite todos eles cobraban vida e...
Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. And my band bought that money. Break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh!
Un sábado noite, Saturday night, a nena espertou en medio da madrugada e descubriu a que se dedicaban os seus xoguetes mentres ela dormía. A salvar o mundo? A bailar?
Saturday night, I feel the air is getting hot. Like it, baby. I'll make you mine, you know I'll take you to the top. I'll drive you crazy. Saturday night dance, I like the way you move. Pretty baby, it's party time and not 1 minute we can lose. Be my baby. Da-ba-da-dum, dee-dee-da-dee-da-da-da. Be my baby. Da-ba-da-dum, dee-dee-da-dee-da-da-da. Pretty baby.
Wave! Yeah! Hammer Crush! Smash you!
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op, op.